Game won't open due to the Unity main library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll help you bypass this roadblock instantly using my diagnostic data. Before we get into the technical process for Unity main library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Unity main library. This is the primary bootstrap library for the Unity engine's native runtime. It handles the initial transfer of control from the Windows entry point into the Unity player loop, initializing graphics APIs, runtime services, and managed code environments. Because it is loaded at the earlier stage of execution, failures here prevent even splash screens from appearing. When missing or corrupted, Unity-based titles commonly terminate immediately and may display errors such as failed to load Unitymain.dll. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Update core acts as a vital connection for localized update engine core operations and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Unity main library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. A vital technical reminder: modifying updated core library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Unity main library documentation. To support our technical team and receive updates on Unity main library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.